We all may have heard of VeChain and what this blockchain technology is trying to accomplish, but to most of us it still may not make sense as to how in this world this is useful to us. So how can we imagine a world where it's useful and has utility? I'm going to show you how these confusing explanations of blockchain will be used in everyday life with VeChain. Blockchain can provide transparency in the supply chain, allowing customers to track the journey of products from farm to table. VeChain is partnered with various companies to provide this service, enabling customers to verify the authenticity and quality of products they buy, such as food, luxury goods, and pharmaceuticals. This may raise the question of, do big businesses want this transparency? Well, if not, we can look at the potential of a digital identity. Blockchain can be used to create a secure digital identity that is not controlled by any central authority. VeChain is partnered with DNV to create a digital identity system that enables individuals to control their data and access various services securely. Controlling our data sounds useful, but can this help us with finances as well? Maybe separately, so let's look at financial services. Blockchain can enable peer-to-peer transactions, providing access to financial services for people who do not have access to traditional banking systems. VeChain is partnered with a number of companies to provide blockchain-powered financial services, including cross-border payments, remittances, and microlending. This sounds like a lot of stuff we already might not understand, but can definitely help with that finance industry. So one thing people understand and love to have control over is the world of gaming. Blockchain can be used to create decentralized gaming platforms that are transparent and secure. VeChain has partnered with Player to develop a blockchain-powered gaming platform that allows users to earn rewards and trade in-game items using VeChain tokens. Sounds entertaining, but not everyone plays video games. What if your purpose is making the Earth a sustainable place for humans? Blockchain can then be used to track carbon credits and ensure that they are fairly traded. VeChain is partnered with a Norwegian company, DNV, to create a blockchain-based platform that tracks the carbon footprint of products and enables the trading of carbon credits. So there are some everyday use cases for the blockchain technology. Invest or not, now you know how VeChain can be used in our everyday lives. If you have any questions or would like me to go more in depth on any of the topics, let me know in the comments below. Join me next time when we explore the real-world use case of Cardano.